Welcome. In this video, you're going to learn how to show your additional name to your networks on the LinkedIn app for PC using the latest update. This is a simple process, but it can make a big difference when you want your connections to easily recognize you by another name you go by. Let's walk through the exact steps together. First, open the LinkedIn application on your PC. Once you're inside, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Me icon. This is the section where you can manage your profile and settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, go ahead and select Settings and Privacy. Once you're there, you'll notice several different options on the left-hand side. We want to head into the section called Account Preferences. This is where your core account details can be updated and customized. Now, under the Profile Information category, you'll see a tab labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Click on this option to move forward. This is where you manage the personal details that appear on your profile. Within this section, scroll to find the part called Additional Name. This is where LinkedIn allows you to display any extra name you'd like your network to see, whether that's a nickname, a middle name, or another professional name you go by. Click on the option that says Choose Visibility. At this point, LinkedIn will give you visibility choices. To make sure your networks can see your additional name, simply choose your networks. This ensures that the people you are connected with will be able to view the name you've added. Finally, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes. Once you've done that, your additional name will now be visible to your connections on LinkedIn, helping them recognize you more easily and making your professional presence a little more personal. That's it. In just a few quick steps, you've updated your profile to display your additional name to your network. Thanks for watching.